Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Teams on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install Microsoft Teams on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your browser, go to the official Microsoft website. So just search for Microsoft.com in your search bar. And once you're on the Microsoft website, click on the All Microsoft drop-down menu located at the top of the page. And here, you'll now see a list of Microsoft's products, services, and applications. From this list, find and select Teams. And after that, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft Teams page. So from here, simply click the Download Teams button. And on the next page, click the Download button once again to start downloading the installer. After that, the Microsoft Teams installer file will automatically be downloaded, so just click the file to start installation. And then the installation process will begin. Just wait for Microsoft Teams to finish installing on your computer. This may take a few moments depending on your device. And once the installation is complete, Microsoft Teams should launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can simply open it from your desktop shortcut or through the Start menu. And then from here, all you have to do is sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free and then use it to access Teams. And that's it, guys. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Microsoft Teams on your PC or laptop. You can now use it for online meetings, team collaboration, messaging, file sharing, and much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.